In this video, we'll walk you through the first steps of the DBS process at ARU. A DBS check, short for Disclosure and Barring Service Check, is a legal requirement for certain courses. It helps make sure that everyone working or training in roles with vulnerable individuals meets the right legal and professional standards. If your course needs a DBS check, it's not just a formality. You'll need it to take part in placements or practical work. And it's also essential for your future career in that field. How do you know if this applies to you? If a DBS check is required for your course, we'll have let you know in your offer letter. It's really important to complete the process on time, otherwise it could delay the start of your course or placement. Now, a few things to keep in mind before you begin the application. You must have a current UK address to apply. If you're moving to the UK and don't yet have one, please wait until you've arrived and have a permanent or long-term address before starting your application. You don't need a national insurance number to apply. If you haven't got one yet, just enter NA in that section of the form. Already have a DBS certificate? We may be able to accept it if it meets your course's criteria. If your certificate is registered with the DBS update service, send a copy of both sides to our DBS team first. We'll let you know if you still need to apply for a new one. When and how do you start the application? If you need a DBS check, we'll email you a guidance document with all the information you need. This includes full instructions and a link to the DBS application portal. Within 3 working days of receiving that guidance, you'll also get an email from our DBS provider. That email will include your personal login details and the link to start your online application. Be sure to check your inbox and your spam or junk folder, just in case it lands there.